This is a white Model 764. This is the pinky tan colored machine with the built-in handle on the top. It's all metal. It's very heavy. It has a few built-in stitches and an automatic buttonholer. As you can see, it has straight, zigzag, blind stitch, and multi-point zigzag. And of course, you can always do creative embroidery also by using your spring-loaded stitch width lever. It has adjustable stitch length, adjustable stitch width, and reverse, and it has a 3-level feed dog. Cosmetically, it is excellent. Hardly a scratch on it to be found. Lots of shine in the painted surface. It uses low shank feet and attachments, 15x1 needles, and class 15 bobbins. The needles and bobbins can be bought anywhere as easy as Walmart. It does come with a box of goodies. Has bobbins, a darning foot, button sewing foot, zipper foot, screwdriver, hammer foot, all kinds of goodies in there. That'll be pictured in the description. And also upon purchase you get a PDF copy of the instruction manual sent to you via email. So some things with it here. It's a very smooth running machine, 1.3 amp. It's tabletop ready, or it can be put in any Singer cabinet or carrying case. It does have the same size dimensions as a Singer, so it will fit in a Singer cabinet. Creative embroidery, I'll show you an example of that. Pull down my length a little bit. Do that by widening out your stitch as you sew. And back again. And that's how I made those. It does have blind and multi-point also. Turn the lever. Sorry, turn the dial. It's a very nice balanced stitch. The instruction manual will explain how to use the automatic buttonholer. This is 16 layers of cotton. With a zigzag, perfect stitch. 7 layers of denim. Seven layers of denim with a perfect stitch, and 4 layers of garment leather, of course this machine is not meant to sew saddles, knife sheaths, or anything like that, or be used for shoe repair, but as you can see, if you wanted to make a pair of leather pants or sew a patch on your leather vest, this machine can handle that just fine. And this is a thick cotton, it's almost like a sunbrella. There. And that is the white Model 764.